Rapporteur. Action!
European cinema and culture are set for a major boost. Under the new Creative Europe programme, the European Commission will increase its support to the film industry and the culture sector to €1.8 billion. That's an increase of more than 35% on current levels.
With the increased budget that we are proposing, tens of thousands of professionals from both the cultural and audiovisual sector will be able to make the most of the single market, as well as reaching new audiences, both in Europe and beyond. Without this support, it would be very difficult, even impossible, I would say, for these people to break into new markets.
The Commission estimates that at least 100 million people would be reached through projects financed by Creative Europe between 2014 and 2020. The cinema and audiovisual sector would receive more than €900 million. That's compared to €755 million under the existing media programme. And culture would get €500 million. That's €100 million more than now. Creative Europe would support 2,500 European cinemas and the distribution of more than 1,000 European films. 300,000 artists and audiovisual professionals would receive funding to reach new audiences, and it would enable the European Union to contribute to the translation of more than 5,000 books. The European Commission is also proposing a €200 million guarantee fund, which would allow small businesses in the cultural and creative industries to access up to €1 billion in bank loans.
Every euro spent by the European Union in the area of culture generates substantially more returns in terms of quality of life, social benefits, and of course in the economy. Creative Europe supports and promotes cultural and linguistic diversity, intercultural dialogue, but it also promotes the Europe 2020 objectives for jobs and sustainable growth.